papunta na kami sa Cara. Magpapa-facial ako, magpapa-laser ako. Kaya excited na me. Today is Friday and alam nyo, last day na ng school ni Mimi for the summer kasi pinasok namin siya and meron siyang culminating activity tomorrow, so nagpa-practice siya today. Sinabi ng teacher, kaya excited kami panoorin yan bukas. But today is my Cara day, pero before tayo magka-Cara, syempre magji-gym muna tayo. My exercise today is arms. At ikaw, babe, ano exercise mo?
I'm gonna go for probably back. I'm gonna test out my my lower pec again. If I can pull, because it's still a little bit tender.
Pero bakit gagaya ka ng damit? Same blue na naman. Nauna ako sa'yo, ha?
Electric blue talaga to.
Kahit na. He's always copying my outfit, guys. Alam nyo ba? Ayan, nag-replay na si ate. Kasi nagpapaluto kami ng healthy food sa kanya pagkatapos namin mag-gym. Para kung matapos kami, healthy yung pagkain namin. Diba, babe? Consistency.
Eggs.
Protein. So, ayan, papunta na kami sa gym ngayon.
Protein shakes pala.
Oo nga. Update namin kayo para sa araw namin ngayong araw. See ya! Bullshit. Right now. Bullshit. Bullshit. Right now. Bullshit. Papunta na kami sa Cara. Magpapa-facial ako, magpapa-laser ako. Kaya excited na me. Sama ko si Andy tsaka si Mami Aileen. Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride.
Good evening, mga Zoobs. So we just got back to the house and we came from Cara, so Diana had a 3-hour session, so she got everything she needed to get done, which was good. But now we're about to go for a walk, so we've just come home and we're just going to rest up for a little bit and start doing our cardio. So as you may know, or as we may have already mentioned, we are really getting into our cardio, and of course we're trying to get very consistent with our gym workouts. So apologies if the next few weeks or so might not be as fun as what we usually have, but our focus right now is our health and our diet and getting back into prime shape. Not saying that we're out of shape. We were already in good shape for our wedding anniversary, and we got down to the weight that we wanted to get down for that date. But now we're pushing for August, which we have a goal to reach in August. So at the moment, we have sort of adjusted our diet, and it's more on the protein side, especially for me. And I'm eating mostly ground beef and eggs, and also protein shakes and stuff like that. But in terms of carbs, I'm eating fruit and sweet potato, and Diana's doing the same. The only difference is with her diet, she has probably more on the fish side, so salmon, avocado, and well, she's doing sweet potato as well. But we're basically similar in a sense, and she's trying to eat everything in one sitting, but also have a protein shake. So it's been pretty good so far. I think on the scales I haven't changed so much, but I think when I look at myself in the mirror, I see a pretty good improvement. So yeah, I'm happy with that. But yeah, we got to get this walk done. We're doing 30 minutes. We're going to try and do it every night, and then towards August we'll start increasing that sana to 1 hour. But yun lang, it can be a little bit boring walking around for an hour. 30 minutes is parang sakto lang. So yeah, enough talking. We're going to get this walk done.
Guys, ito na yung resulta ng aking pagpapaganda. Ayan, as you can see, marami pa akong mga dots dyan. Kasi facial ako, tapos nagpa-cauterize na rin ako ng mga warts, tapos meron akong konting milya. Kaya, pinush ko na dahil marami na siya. And then, wala kasi akong work ng mga susunod na araw. Kaya, pinagawa ko na para tapos na. Kasi kapag ganito, dapat hindi mo siya lagyan ng anything, ng makeup, para mas madali siyang mag-dry. Tsaka pangit kasi pag pinatungan mo lang to ng makeup, halata siya. Ang dami, no? Pero thank you so much, Cara. Kasi tinanggal mo na, and then sa mga susunod na araw, makikita nyo na ang flawless kong skin. Can't wait for that. Tapos nagpaano din ako, hindi ko na video yung laser. Siyempre, nagpa-laser ako nito. Tapos underarm, legs, and Brazilian. Kaya kung gusto niyo mag-inquire, dun lang yan sa Cara Aesthetics. Meron silang page, itatag ko dito. Kaya, thank you so much.